Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be my first wash day since I installed my DIY Microlocs. So what I am doing is I'm braiding my hair into small sections. Now I could probably do these braids a lot bigger, but I don't know, I just felt like doing them smaller. I wanted to show you all a clip of how my hair was done today. So I had it kind of like up in this like updo style, kind of a bun, not really though. And I just took it down out of that style, and that's why my hair is like this. I really haven't worn it down too often. I may have wore it down like for a day, but typically my go-to style is that like bun or ponytail. And it's mainly because when it's down, it looks a lot more spacey and like thin than when it's in a ponytail. So I just prefer to put it up like I mentioned. Before I continue on with the video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed. Also, if you do want to see the beginning journey of my like sister lock, test locks being or right after they were installed, and me making the decision to first look into and schedule an appointment for doing or getting sister locks, and then deciding to actually install my own Microlocs, be sure to check out my playlist. I do have a playlist titled Sister Lock / Microloc Journey, or maybe Microloc / Sister Lock Hair Journey, but be sure to check out that playlist that has all the videos included. It also has the video that I recorded last week when I showed my parting and I explained how I'm doing the DIY Microlocs. I kind of showed the process and things like that. So be sure to check out that video as well. So like I mentioned, right now I'm braiding my hair. I do plan to braid and band, because I've done a lot of research looking into sister locks and Microlocs, and a lot of people have tried to skip braiding and banding, or they braid it and band it for like a few months and regretted stopping because they noticed some of their Microlocs or sister locks came unraveled. They noticed a lot of bunching, and that was something that I'm really trying to avoid. So I'm definitely going to be braiding and banding for a while, probably even after after I hit my 1 year mark. So I've had these in for a week, and I was deciding on how to wash the Microlocs. I didn't know if I wanted to just get in the shower and use the same shampoo that I used initially, just like clear baby shampoo. I am going to get some different type of shampoo, but when I initially went to my sister lock consultation, that was a shampoo that my loctician recommended. So I've just been sticking with that shampoo. I have not put any products in my hair. I know there have been some people along their journey that use a little bit of products or a little bit of oil. I haven't done that. I'm not saying that I won't, but I just haven't done that yet. But again, it's only been a week. I do notice frizz mainly in the middle part of my hair, and I'm trying to combat the frizz. So that's why I haven't been that's another reason why I haven't been wanting to do a lot of different styles, just because I don't want to manipulate it too much to the point that some of my twists are coming loose, or I'm experiencing a lot of frizz, or I don't know, I just want to make sure that I'm protecting my Microlocs. So like I mentioned, I'm just braiding the hair into these sections. When I get done braiding my hair, I did notice that I left a few out by accident. So I'm going to go back and rebraid some of the braids. But that's all I'm doing right now. So I'm going to go ahead and continue braiding, and I'll be back with you all in just a moment. right, so I initially decided to try this method where you just put the shampoo and water in a spray bottle, and spray the roots and then gently massage the mixture into your hair. However, it wasn't really giving me a good enough lather, and that's probably because of the type of shampoo that I'm using. I am probably going to switch over, but I decided this way wasn't really working. Plus, it was getting all over my face and my eyes, so I decided to go ahead and spray each section with that mixture, and then I went back through it and I put shampoo throughout my hair in each section just to get a more of a deeper cleanse, and I wanted to see the lather. So this is what that looks like. And I kept these, after I rinsed it out, I slept with my bonnet and I actually kept those braids in until the next morning. This is right after I took the braids out, so you can definitely tell that my hair shrunk, which I expected. It doesn't really bother me, but I wanted to show you all how much my hair shrunk after my first wash and after I took them out of the braids. Now, next time if I do fewer braids, I'm sure that I'll have a different look, but I wanted to do smaller braids for this time. But yes, so that's what I'm looking like now. Now I'm going to show you all what I look like right before I got, like when I got done with the installation, just so you can kind of see how much my hair shrunk after the first wash and band, or braid and band. So as you can see, my length is still there. It's not really laying completely flat because number one, I don't think it's going to lay completely flat, and it wasn't trained to, like, it wasn't hanging down, it was in a bun. And I'm going to show you all what the bun looked like that it was in, because I've pretty much been wearing my hair in a bun, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, just because I prefer that style better than having it hanging down right now. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the next clip. Now, this is actually a clip that I put on Instagram when I was explaining part of my installation journey, but you can see how my hair looked right when it was done. It's not drawn up. It's not, crinkly like it is now. It's just like right after I got done doing it. And I've just been wearing it in a ponytail with like these little wisps out in the front. I'm also going to show you another clip of how I had my hair done earlier before I actually washed it. So I wanted to show you another up close clip. This is what it looked like. I tried to twist 2 twists on each side, and then I pulled my hair up in like a loose ponytail, and I kind of made it into, well, I guess I did make it into like an updo style. I put 2 clips in my hair. I've been wearing those clips religiously since I got these twists, since I installed these twists, or Microlocs, excuse me. But I've been wearing these clips very frequently just because it adds some spice to my hair, I think, and they look really, really cute. So just wanted to show you all what my hair looked like earlier, and I'm going to be moving on to the next clip in just a moment. All right, so before I show you all what my hair looks like after I washed it, I wanted to include a picture of how it looked when I was installing it, so you can kind of see the difference between like how my hair looked the first week versus today after the first wash. So as you can see, I mentioned the shrinkage. It's a lot more defined from it being braided. It doesn't look as spacey, but it still does look pretty spacey. Especially when the light hits it or when I go outside, you can see a lot more spaces in it. I wanted to show you all an up-close view of my hair too. So this is kind of getting up close. Trying to show you the parts, at least the part in the front. So yes, this pretty much concludes my wash day, first wash day. All right, you all, so here is the final results of the wash and yeah, me washing my starter locks for the first time. I've washed the test locks that I've had in my hair for about, I don't even know how long I've had them. Have I had them in for like 3 months? I don't know. I've washed them multiple times, obviously, but I haven't washed, and I don't want to say obviously because it may not be obvious to some people. It just sounds kind of snobby to me. Excuse me. But I did wash and band my hair yesterday. Last night I showed you all footage of that. I slept with the braids in, and I took them down this morning before church, and this is the final result. I was gonna do like a style, and I actually played around with a few styles, but I decided to just go ahead and just let my hair hang today. I do like it. I think I'll do, well, I'm going to be braiding and banding every time, so I guess every wash day I'll braid them up and I'll just let my hair crinkle and wear it like in a style or wear it hanging down. Now I don't know how I'm going to tie my hair down. I've been using a silk bonnet, one of the bonnets that I sell on my website. If you are interested in the bonnet that I use, please be sure to click the link down below. I'll have it linked. And the bonnet doesn't come off. It works really well for protecting my hair. But I don't want my hair to be like mushed in one spot or like hard to get it to fall like this again tomorrow. So I don't know, I may do like a loose ponytail, but then I don't want it to have the ponytail shape either, and then or like the dent where the ponytails are. And then I was like, well, maybe I'll just go ahead and do a light braid out and twist out. I don't want that either, so we will see. But I just wanted to show you all the finished results. Let me know what you all think, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.